Welcome to bitomiX. In this short video, we would like to highlight one of the unique features of our magnetic modules. Mixing mode, loss-free. Selection of the mixing mode causes dynamic magnetic field inversions. As you can see here, the magnetic beads are prompted to travel across the liquid contained within your sample tube at a uniform speed. As all samples deposited in the magnetic module undergo the exact same treatment, we can achieve increased reproducibility. Our loss-free mixing mode greatly accelerates protocol speeds by reducing hands-on time. This is achieved by alleviating the need for user intervention during mixing. This fully automated mixing mode also helps to reduce plastic usage, thereby increasing your lab's sustainability. Thanks for watching this feature video. At bitomiX, we want to advance your science bead by bead. Stay tuned on bitomix.com.